Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to install a plugin named WordPress for Jetpack. This is a plugin which is developed by itself WordPress. Let me show you. Okay. So this is the plugin we are going to install on our website, and this is a good plugin. As you can see that the reviews are here. 713 people are given 5 stars to this plugin, and the rating is 3.9 out of 5, and the downloads are more than any plugin on WordPress library. And you can see the features include are so many features in this plugin, so you don't need to install so many plugins. It has so many features in it. So we are going to install this plugin, and I will show you how to install and configure this plugin. So go to your plugin and click Add New. Okay, click Install now. Okay. Okay, so the plugin is installed. Now let's just activate the plugin. Okay, now in order to see the options or the setting of this plugin, we need to authorize this plugin to WordPress.com. So all you have to do is click this Connect to WordPress.com button here. Click on it, and it will take you to WordPress.com to authorize this plugin to our website. Okay. Alright, if you don't have an account on WordPress.com, you can create an account. It's free to create an account on WordPress.com, but in case if you already have an account, you can just log into your account. As I already have an account, so I'm going to just log in and click this Authorize Jetpack. Okay, so this is the main interface of the plugin, and here we have a new tab of Jetpack. Okay, in case if you want to disable this plugin, all you need to do is click this button here, and it will disconnect this plugin from WordPress.com. Now as you can see that there are so many settings here, and you can configure these settings according to your need. Like the WordPress.com state, this is the same thing as we install the plugin Statpress, but you will not get more information about your visitor, like the operating system or the IP address. Publicize, let me configure the publicize. Publicize is the setting that enable your content to be shared on social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Okay. This plugin have the ability to post on your Facebook page or Twitter account or LinkedIn group and Google+, but you have to create an account for your website, and we will create that later. So I'm going to leave this part. Let me just okay, now here you can configure that what are the social network you want your site to be shared. Like by default we are getting that Facebook, Twitter, G+, StumbleUpon, LinkedIn, Pinterest and Reddit. So this is it, and if you want to change the order, simply you can drag and drop. Like got it? Okay, now the button style is icon plus text, or icon only, or text only, or the official buttons. No, icon plus text. This is something that will appear at the bottom of your content, and the link open in new window, and the button will show on media, on pages, on post, and on the front page achiever pages and search result. Okay, please don't mess with this. If you know how to edit this thing by CSS and JS into your code files, this is some advanced feature. So let it untick and click Save Changes. Now by enabling the service, it will give you ability that all your site content will be able. If I go to About Us, now you can see that there is a share this page, and now everyone or the visitor of your website can share the article of your website to Facebook, Twitter, Google, and the networks that you enable here. Okay, let's configure something other. Notification, it's nothing to anything here configure. Jetpack comment, since I don't like Jetpack comments, so I'm not going to activate this. Subscription, okay, subscription is if you want your visitor to get a notification through email, and if you want them to subscribe to your blog, you can activate this, like follow your blog or comment on your blog, save changes. And if you go to if I go to widgets, where is, yeah, widgets, you can see that there are some more widgets now after enabling this Jetpack. So yeah, this is the blog subscription, and if I put this blog subscription to footer 3 area. Okay, and now let's visit our website and see. Okay, I have disabled the widgets cause I don't like widgets on my website, so I will show you this thing later on. So for now I'm just deleting this widget, and let's go to the Jetpack configuration. Now the things I want to like enable on my website is sharing and mobile theme. Yeah, I want to activate the mobile theme, so our website is easily viewable through the mobile devices. Activate, and that's it. You can also configure these settings according to your needs. So now the sharing is the same thing, so let's close it, and there is a like setting. Where it is, yeah, this is the like setting. If you enable this like setting, your visitor can like your article on your WordPress. It is the same thing. By liking or by activating the service, you are giving your visitor ability to like your content, or no, it's just only to like. There is no dislike button. So if you want to activate this like, you can activate. There are some other setting as well. If you want to enable them, enable. And for me, this setting is fine, so I'm going to leave rest of as it is. So this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.